Quick, quick live trading session for the playbook. We here checking out AUD, USD, and right now we got some bullish momentum. See what these higher time frames looking like. Oh, we are overall bearish. Is that right? We overall bearish? Oh yeah, we are overall bearish. Oh yeah. Even on the oh man. So what do we have here? So we're overall bearish. So we're waiting for it to hit this high right here for a quick sell-off. It's already starting to do it a little bit. Stochastic is still high. So I would be loading sells here. If it breaks back below this level that was just drawn, I'll take a quick one. I'll take it here. Happened really quick though, I must say. Yeah, this one don't look so good. Or does it? As soon as I press the trigger, that thing just reject. All right, so we got the drop from the level. Did we not see that?
Yeah, man, I did 15 second on that. I got that by like the hair of my chin.
Wait for these things to clear. They better stop playing. Come on now. Oh,
No, because you're gonna learn how to start
got
something
some
new.
bitches. All right. Look like they coming back down. Let's see what they gonna do. That real drop finna happen at this level right here. I anticipate. I anticipate. Oh, they breaking through.
Yeah.
Oh, look at what we got. I'll take that here. Oh, they're trying to break through. I think it might be in the room, babe. I'm so sorry. All right, so they feeling real bullish. So we're gonna wait for pull back to this level for some buys up. But if they come back crashing down, yeah, very well might take that sell like I wanted to initially. Yep, like I wanted to initially. I should have did 15 seconds like Brown said, but let's see, let's see.
Report here.
Come on. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, don't play with the kid. Don't play with the kid. Come on. See you glitching a little bit and shit. Anybody else caught that? Shit. And we up $2 more than where I was at. Still not bad because that would, we still profitable. We did anticipate a drop from this level, and we did catch one. See the wick? This thing did not close above. Now look what's happening. We can't make these things up. So we come back down to the 20. I would take some buys up. Some buys up here wouldn't be that bad either because this is a level. But I ain't gonna take it right there. Because it's stochastic the way how it's limping right now. Yeah, it might be crashing down to this 20. If it breaks below, probably could snipe a quick 15 second.
Very well.
I'll take 2 here. Pretend like that's all I got to my name. Took it because it came back below this level. It didn't close below it. Sometimes you can't wait, you know,
She hit me. She didn't
because
hit.
this is
Oh.
real time. This isn't some, you know, where we just trading off of laggy indicators and stuff. It looks like we about to get fried on this. We get fried on this. If it comes back below, I'll take that there. Katie, can you get it in the room? It should be where I put it down. Come on, Bears. Got about 10 on this clock. Don't do us dirty. We coming with clean hands. You see? We gotta trust the process.
Not move the soul.
We gotta trust the process. We originally called the drop, didn't we? And look where it's still at. Five-minute high ain't bad. Yep, 5-minute high is not bad. So, as you can see, we already got a low demand bounce from close to the 20. You know what I'm saying? Brother Kaiser, did you make back some coins?
I'm at sort of break even in that area.
Sort of break even. Well, that's better than
Yeah,
being totally in a loss, right?
absolutely.
Right now, as we can see, we already got the low demand bounce here that we was anticipating. Why? Because there's always a why. Look at what we got here. All of this little gap you see right here, right? And that gap, of course, extends all the way down here where there's no candles. This is where you ride that 20 up. You know what I'm saying? You still got to look out for resistance zones like here. So what I was basically saying was we could have caught the quick buy here if we didn't hesitate. Being that we know sometimes it may not always come and touch the 20. Like it did in here, like it did in here. It did here. Now somebody. So we're back in resistance again. We're back in resistance again. We already got rejection. We do have a cross towards the upside, so we're gonna be careful on this one. But we do have a rejection. I mean,
Yeah.
sorry. Where the light? Oh. See how we got this rejection though? It did not close above it. Yeah, I want to take a quick sell. You can. I'm not taking it though. We still got this wick to take out too. I'll take 2 here.
Yeah.
Let's see how strong this resistance zone really is. Oh, it looked like we got some strong resistance. Come on, just 10 more seconds. Y'all could do whatever the hell y'all want to do. Oh, come on. Oh, they trying to take us out. They trying to take us out. So we could load buys here. We could load, but this wick, I'm still watching this wick right here. Still watching that wick right there.
Why you put that stuff on? Oh my God.
We broke the wick. We broke the wick. We got some bullish momentum here. Remember the pivot point? I got it there, right here. It broke here. So now we have to watch what it continues to do above here, if that makes sense. Right now, we're just watching. We want at least 3 more candles to help us determine if this is going to continue on up. Furthermore, let's see what other resistance zones may be ahead. Oh, we still have one. Well, actually, there's still one of these. There's one right here coming up on the 15-minute. Okay, so that's right there on the 5-minute. All right. So we're looking for a drop here. We're looking for the drop. We're anticipating the drop. We are pretty overbought. We are already rejecting. Stochastic is curving and it is high. But I don't know. I just have more conviction when it comes up to 0.57046. I think it has room to keep moving at least up to that point before it finally gives us a drop that we're looking for. So far, only $5 profitable into the session. I was gonna take a sell here, but I think I got in late. Wait, let's see. Yeah, I'll just take 3 right there. Stochastic cross. The way how this wick is set up on the previous candle. We're gonna see what's up with it. Don't look good so far, unless we can make a comeback in this last 10 seconds. Oh, looks like a last minute clear on 2 of those. So now we're $1 more than where we was at, huh? Oh, see they fighting because we got a strong resistance above. It can start rejecting before it even gets there. But for them precise entry points, you want to catch it right at the zone. That's where you're most confident to take the trade. Or that's where you should be most confident to take the trade. Here, baby. Take your seat back.
I don't know if they're coming around.
All right. See, they fighting this wick right here. Let's see if they're gonna take this wick out.
Hey, Kadeem, where did you start this account with?
I started this account originally with total with fees and everything 152.
Okay.
Drew down to 30 and then drew down to 42 my second time in deep drawdown. And then I took it up to where it's at right now based from that 42.
Nice, man. Nice work, man.
Yeah. And mainly dollar trades. I took 1 or 2 risky trades. I did post them for the most part, so you can definitely see them. But yeah, when I got back down to that $42, bro, I'm just like, damn, man, I just threw some hard work out the window.
Yeah, man. I feel that discipline, man. You got that discipline. You got right back. Pass where you need to be.
Right. Past where I originally got up
When a
to.
knife right there.
When I first loaded up, I got up to 177.
Mm.
It dropped down to the 30. Came back up to like 150 something, dropped back down to 30. I mean 42. And I was like, you know what? I'm sticking to my dollar trade. That's it.
Yeah, get the blankets and put right in.
And the reason why the dollar trades can be so powerful, because think about it like this. You can you can risk a whole $30, right? Or you can break that same $30 up into multiple trades and possibly win some but lose some versus losing the whole thing.
Yeah, that's a really good point and strategy. Instead of doing it all at once, you break it up,
Yeah.
leverage it.
Yeah, like when you see a very high probability setup and you're confident, you spam that thing. $1 though. $1 at a time. You know? And based on the movement, I mean, there's situations where I've cleared all of them quite a lot of times, you know. So this session starting out, hit what, 5 for 5, went on a little nasty lost streak for a second, came back, lost two. So based off this, I see we still got some momentum. Um, but yeah, I'm looking to flip this $6 right here. It's $6.55.
Bliss.
Looking to take this thing up to 250 for the day. Yeah, 250 ain't bad. As you can see, we got that rejection here again, based off the first wick, came up, it tried a thing, dropped, came up again, dropped. So that's what you call price action. You studying the price action. You watching what the candles do at certain areas. And the confluences is the best, where you have multiple confluences. So for example, a confluence for a buy up, a quick buy up would be right here at this zone. Because look where the 20 happens to be, right where that zone is. And look how we're already rejecting to break this wick right here. So that's interesting. We're rejecting again at this resistance level. What is it about this level right here? But they just can't seem to get past. I know they is though, because they gotta sweep the liquidity that's at this high on the 15. Or we could go to the 5. Yeah, there's liquidity up here. We had a nice drop to here, and it held support here and did its thing. Right now, we got some mini consolidation. It has not broken out of this little box here. It's been ping-ponging in between this zone right here. We don't want to take any trades in an area like this.
Got 4 balls. No.
Yep. I want the drop from here. This is what you got to tell yourself. I'm not getting in until I see it comes up here, because then I'm taking it down. See how that works?
Sometimes it be playing with you, like when it be saying sell, it be really going up.
That's why you gotta watch. You gotta keep your eyes glued on the price action to see what it's really doing.
You go
Because
opposite for us sometimes.
you see how we just ranging in this zone right here. It can do this for who knows how long. And this is where our patience is tested.
I watch this happen.
Might still get a demand bounce right here. That could bring us finally up
What happened?
to this level. Now we got an X.
Look at these spider webs.
Ooh,
Can I
Looks-
take some more?
fascinating.
I need some more.
Okay.
Yeah.
See how this stochastic blue line, how it just created like a V, and then it finally crossed above the orange one. We can be seeing it push above here probably within like the next 3 minutes.
Are you excited for the deal?
Right, we finally got a break above out the zone. We need to see it close out the zone. We are approaching resistance area, heavy resistance area. So we are loading cells. We are loading cells. We're taking cells here. Spider webs. Hey, spider webs. Spider webs. Hey, spider webs. Hey. Ooh, look at that.
Mom, look. The spider web.
All right, the bulls are strong.
Oh, all right, get them out of
The
here.
bulls are strong.
Cause I don't want them falling all over the place.
Unless we can make a comeback in the next
Yeah.
5 seconds. I don't think so, no.
Probably.
All right, bulls are strong. So this is where what you thought was gonna happen, when it gets invalidated, well, we gotta see. Well, for it to be completely invalidated, we want to see the close above. If it comes back below, I'll take it. Sorry, rejecting. I'll take that. This is the drop we was looking for, I think. Come back in that zone. What you think? What you doing? Come back in that zone. We got 5 seconds. Do what you want to do after that. Come on. No fake out. Last minute clear on 2 of those. All right, they're back at this zone. They're rejecting again. Pick it here. They're rejecting again. Come back in the zone. Come back in the zone. Where the liquidity is at. Where the orders is at. Come on, 5 seconds and do what you want to do. Come on. Don't do us like that again now. Not again now. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. $1 at a time. Anybody else cleared that?
Cleared. I cleared out.
Which is right, which is right. See, we're back in the zone. Remember what we was looking out for. We was looking out for this. We was looking out for that. Glad I recorded this session.
Bro, have you thought about YouTube channel?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have one already. That's the crazy
Get
part.
subscribers on the daily and don't even be posting.
And don't even be posting nothing, bro. It's a
Yeah,
damn
content
shame.
you post is pretty good.
But yeah, I'm gonna have to create a separate playlist for this type of content right here for the YouTube channel. So we're back. We're in a mini demand zone for some buys up. See how it already rejected off that 20? We already missed that entry. You can forget about it.
Oh shit.
Yep, quick 30-second, 15 second at the 20 would have been a clear, I think. We would have caught it right at the bottom. So right now, technically, this 20 is still being respected. So we're still bullish for right now. It's just that we came across a heavy resistance zone on the 5 minute. 1 minute probably would have cleared here too. Right now, it look like it's kind of stalling. Ooh, what was that? I think they trying to take the 20 out. Because again, we just came across a heavy resistance zone. So because it came to this area, it can keep going. It can come all the way down to here. So right. So what we looking for at moments like this? Oh, we back in buy zone now. We back in buy zone. I'll take 2 here. We're back in buy zone. Quick little two downs. But again, that resistance zone might tell it all. Come on. Clear these. Clear these. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else clear?
Or
It's okay.
I did 15 seconds, so I didn't hit it.
Okay. Oh, look at that thing. Couple more seconds would have been probably a lifesaver. 1 minute would have been out the picture. So we are back below the 20. We ain't closed below it yet. All right. We got some volume here. This is another buy zone right here. It was previous resistance, but if it comes here and it rejects, then there is a potential for a quick buy. But for now, I ain't doing that. But just watch it. What?
okay.
2025 is the year to get this thing down to a science. Oh, sorry, Kitty. Because I controlled my weight, I ain't fully, you know? Yeah, we got to get this thing down to a science 2025, man. We have to legally print this money here. Yeah, well, this is how we legally print money. We're out the zone. We're below the 20. Again, the pivot happened here. Now we was looking out for, so we could have did 5 minutes here. Am I lying or am I flying? We could have did 3 minutes here. Now we got a sell signal that just showed up, but it was late, huh? Do you see why we need to trust our own analysis? Because that's late. We already saw the sell. Oh, didn't I say it was going to be a quick little buy right here? I missed it. got the stochastic low, curving up a little bit, rejecting at the zone that I told you I was gonna give a hard time before it breaks through. So this is why we're doing 30-second trades, because you see, we would have just caught the quick low, 30-second John, whoop, in and out. And now, it could do whatever it want, right? After we done closed in on some profits. Holding strong support here. Loading buys. I'll take buys right here. Yep, we're taking buys right here. They could do whatever they want in the next 15 seconds. But for right now, just stay where you at, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You plan to trade, you execute. That's it. Who else cleared that? Who else cleared that? As we can see, the support was being held here. The stochastic was low. We was watching that. It was already crossing up. Kaiser, where you at, bro? Where you at?
Oh yeah, I got in late, but it cleared.
Okay, so that was a safe trade.
Mhm.
Still at break even?
I'm at 1160, so I'm up $1 or so.
Okay, okay. It's a marathon, not a race. So don't look at that low dollar profit as, it ain't shit.
I
You
got
know how long some people's savings account take to make a couple cents these days?
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm
Like,
learning.
what is inflation right now? Let's see. What is inflation right now in comparison to CD rates right now? Um, and all that stuff. As of February, oh, it's 3%. Okay, so it actually decreased since your boy Trump got in office. Because it was at like 6%, 7%. So money sitting in the account collecting dust, your dollars are actually losing value. If we don't find out how to put our dollars to work, then we can anticipate continuing to be a slave to money. It's just that simple. We gotta put these dollars to work for us in these markets where we have full control um of our actions and our trades. Because to put it in the hands of another institution is basically no longer your money. So this is trading is the highest level of understanding money, I believe. Because once you realize how easy it is, but hard at the same time, because 95% of traders, or whatever the number they say, does not make it, right? So we have to beat the statistics with discipline, self-control, as crazy as it seems. emotional regulation, because it can be you can
Who
get
said builds character?
yeah, it builds character for
It's all
sure.
about it.
Like if nothing else does, trading will help you build some character because you're gonna find out who you are in these
Facts.
markets fast or slow.
That's fact, man.
Hmm. So like
It's really you versus you. Really.
it's you versus you, man. It's you versus you.
No, it's three
The
parts.
market is not against us when we lose.
Yep.
The market is not against us when we lose.
Back.
The market does whatever it wants. And we have to accept that
I'm gonna give you a break so I can straighten.
so that we release expectations
And then once it-
and just go with the flow, market flow. Right now, stochastic is high. We're already rejecting again off of this same level, right? So these are the little things we pay attention to, right? We still got a wick above here that it still would have to clear to give us conviction. But it hasn't gotten there yet.
Left your phone. That was nice.
So we're loading cells here. But I would prefer to get in at the wick entry here. But it's already rejecting off this zone right here already. So we got our eyes peeled. All right, we're breaking above now. See how we could have got in early? But we realized that there's other factors and variables to consider. So bulls got momentum right now because we did have some support here, which happens to now be above the zone that it was previously consolidating in.
Don't call nobody stupid.
So
It's not mine.
Hey, mom.
we're looking for we're waiting for we're looking at the maintenance of this level that it just broke. Is it going to hold above this level or is it going to break back below it? If it breaks back below it and closes below it, then we know that was a fake breakout for people who were trading longer times. Because this, you could have caught a quick 30-second here. But look, if you would have did a 2 minutes or something, you would have been, you know, getting ready to get fried possibly. Now we're back below the zone that we were looking out for to get rejected from, but it broke above it, closed back below it. So what does that tell y'all?
I'm on the second last.
I was gonna take the sell, but I don't know. I just yeah, and it gave me the entry too. It literally came back and gave me the entry, but I waited too late.
Huh?
I'll take care of them for you.
Mhm.
People just say it.
No, it's right. I don't understand why, but it is.
Right? We might see a bull
It's like
bounce
I'm
right
like,
here,
Whatever that is that's in the chocolate.
but we called it. We called it once again. This zone being a strong zone for some sells, quick sells. And if you happen to be sometimes seeing me call the setup and you see it happen and I don't get in, that don't mean you can't test the water. But just please understand it's still your risk, whether I tell you or not. Because at the end of the day, I can't press the buttons on your phone or your laptop. This is why this game of trading is So powerful because it teaches you responsibility. It teaches you stewardship.
Got a whole like natural. Like,
So we held support above the zone, so we're still bullish. It didn't come back in here.
Cashews.
But that rejection that just happened,
I am glad to see.
interesting. See how the wick literally is like, I don't know. Math is so interesting. Math is beautiful, man. That's basically what this is all about. Numbers, all these numbers on a screen.
I think we probably have same length now at this point.
So Bulls is trying to take it, but they're rejecting at again. They rejecting right now at the Twin Towers. All right, finally moving a little bit.
Yes,
Huh?
I got Spider-Man powers. I can climb on the wall.
So you see a buy right here would have been beautiful.
What did I say?
So we could have lost it by taking a sell, thinking it was going to sell, but then got right back in.
For
the buyout.
Off the wall. Don't put that on the wall. You sure we're gonna do a day early under that?
We are bullish. We could anticipate some more buying pressure with the strength of this candle that just closed. I'm thinking about buys, but I don't got enough conviction right now. I'll do 3 here or 2. Throw another one on that because I really wanted to do 3. See, you just got to catch it quick. It gave me my same entry that I wanted to initially get in with all 3. But it moved a little bit, and I said, wait, snipe. Anybody else in this?
I sniped that for 15.
Almost at the 250.
I see what you're saying, though. That 30-second versus the 15, it just gives it that little bit extra time in case they want to do something.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 15 second to 30 second is definitely elite when you got some nice price action and volume in these markets because you can catch these moves and they can just move beautifully right after you get in, and then you only got a couple seconds left versus a whole minute or 2 for it to close. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we see we're looking a little bearish now after. That's why we got 30 seconds. So we got to catch the quick moves.
Forgot to get that out.
So yeah, right now we're on a little streak. We're on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 13 for 13 right now. Oh, look at that rejection at the zone. That ain't by accident.
How are you?
Things like this is not by accident. Right? Look how long we drew that level. And we could have trusted a trade for a quick buy up at that level. So they say you got to trust your levels. Got to trust your levels. This is an example of that.
Just kidding.
You see, we missed that, but it's all right because there's endless opportunities in these markets, especially binary options market because it's open 24/7. The stock market ain't open 24/7. So the people who trade stock options, they have to wait for month. They're basically still on a like a Monday to Friday thing. Schedule program.
Have a daughter, they say. She looked just like you.
Binary. We wake up on a Saturday and can get to this bag. Take some buys here. It wicked again at this level. You can't ignore shit like that. I hope they don't fake us out, but I expect some volume to give us a nice push up.
I mean, I guess the good side to me having it that long was that your hair was like crazy.
This is why you need that low 30 seconds, because 15 probably would have got chopped. See, Kalia. Anybody else catch that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Welcome, Nick. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My brother. This recording gonna be dropped. The first one, it's a little too long, stretched out.
Yeah, I don't really have time to stay in the vibe. I'm just checking in at the moment.
Okay, you at work?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Yeah, man. Get them coins, mate.
It's fun.
Get them coins so you can fund your account. We need to have an income source to fund these accounts. So thanks for checking in. To give you an update on the trading session for today. It's been profitable so far. Caught quite a few setups. One is lining up right now, but I'm not going to take it for the buys because we rejected again off of this level and we wicked it. We ain't closed below it. We wicked it. So another buy just presented us, and look how it's close to the 20. Right? So the 30-second on that would have been beautiful. But I was in the middle of talking, so I couldn't focus. My goal was 250. But I think I'm actually gonna stop right here. I'm trying to get into the habit of ending sessions on a streak. Because if it makes you feel good, right? Because when you come back on the charts, you like shit. I'm just picking up off of my 16 for 16 that I just did, you know, versus continuing to trade. And then now I end my low streak after telling myself I was gonna hit 250 or go for 250. Well, I'll consider this 250. And that will wrap up this AM session. So feel free to review this video when I drop it to catch the gems and then apply the gems so you can start seeing some results.
Where do you share the videos?
I am going to share the video. I'm actually, now that we mentioned YouTube, I think I'm gonna just throw this on YouTube. So look out for the link to watch it. So yeah, thanks for tapping in, y'all. Great trading session. I'll see you guys. I don't know, depending on how I feel, I might do an evening session. If the market's looking good, see, somebody could have caught another quick buy here. They're actually presenting the re-entry, but I ain't gonna take it. So yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna do one more trade for to close the video out. Let's see. So I am looking at some buys right here. the way how it's rejecting off of this same level that it's been rejecting off of that happened to be close. Okay, so yeah, not looking good so far. But I'll retake it right here because it's right at the 20. I don't think it's gonna break below the 20 just yet, but it might. Yep, look like they breaking below. So yeah, that wraps up this session. Y'all can continue to study this pair, see what it do. And
No, you can't wash
Yeah.
them. I told you don't put them on them. You gotta wait a second.
so peace and love, y'all. I'll keep y'all tuned if I see any more setups. I'm out.